Hey guys, today I have size 0, the clay model. I've made Arctic 2 and then Jenny G. Now I have size 0. This one is blacksmith thing. So, yes, otherwise, blacksmithing gloves is special armor that we don't even know where to get. Then, his belt that is just plain white. His boots or feet or legs are gray. Yeah. The back, nothing really much. Yeah. See ya.